Sushant Singh Rajput case update. A shocking news has recently come forward regarding the unfortunate case of Sushant Singh Rajput. NCB is still looking into the drug cartel that popped up during the investigation of the deceased actor's case. Recently, there were news doing rounds that the government body will be filing a charge sheet soon. But if the current reports are to be believed, then NCB has said something totally different regarding the case. Well, the government body has recently refuted all the rumors of the charge sheet. NCB has already summoned and questioned several Bollywood celebs regarding this case. Celebs like Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor, Rakul Preet Singh were questioned by NCB. Rhea Chakrabarti and her brother even got arrested and stayed behind the bars for more than a month. Bollywood celeb like Arjun Rampal also faced the wrath of NCB several times. NCB has recently reported that they have made quite progression in this case, which is why there were reports doing rounds that the government body might be issuing the charge sheet soon. But recently on Wednesday, NCB has made an official announcement regarding the filing of charge sheet. NCB official has announced that the rumors of charge sheet are baseless and false. According to NCB, there are still many links that need to be connected to solve the case. NCB has also revealed that they are still looking into the electronic evidences, and many more evidences will get collected by them, and this is why they will not issue a charge sheet now. Do you think it is high time that they should file a charge sheet? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.